So for this question, I will need to use my grid. So I will go to the snap toggle, right click on it and check grid points option. Then I will click on G on my keyboard to open the grid. Then I will need to zoom out to make the grid 100 centimeters. So here you will see the dimension for the grid. So I will just zoom out until I reach 100. Now I can use these squares to draw this drawing. So draw the shape in the image below using line tool, which means I will go to create and then shapes, SP-line, and I will have line tool here. I will select it and I will start counting the squares that I have. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll start and you will follow the same order of the vertices. So I will start by opening a snap, S to activate snap. It is a snap 2. I am in the top view. So now I'll start 3, 4, 5, 6 and then click. Then I will go to the third point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll do the same thing here. 3, 6, and 8. So I'll click here and then I'll go down and then I'll come to this side again. If you did anything by mistake, for example, I closed the line by mistake, then you will have to fix it. It will not show how to do this in the question itself. So in case you did this, I will open line using snap and I will continue working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll go up to here, here, and then come down here. Right click to close the line, S to close the snap because I don't need it anymore. Right click to close this command. Select the first line you've done and then go to attach. This is because I drew them in two separate lines. I'm supposed to do this in one line. So I will click on attach the second line, and then I will go to vertex, select the two vertices, the end of the first line and the beginning of the second line, and then go to fuse and weld. So it will turn it into one vertex. Now make sure all the vertices, because all of them are corner vertices, the welded vertex will always be a corner bezier. So right click on it and make sure to change all the vertices back to corner. Now you don't need to do all these steps if you've already done it all as one line from the beginning. Okay. Now the next point says move vertex 1, 2, 7, and 8 200 centimeters in the z-axis. So I will select vertex 1 and 2, Control, and 7 and 8. Right click on move to get this window or F12 to open it. And then I'll type in the z-axis 200 centimeters and enter. So now you will not see any changes, but they already moved up. Okay. Okay, I'm done with all the steps. Don't forget to go back to line to close all the levels or the sub-levels. You should not have anything open on this side. Now it says select the image that shows how the line looks in the back view. So I'll change the view to back, Z to zoom on everything. I still am in the back view. So I will select the image that shows how it looks, which is this one. So I'll select C and I will check if there is any other questions. Yes, I have another question on the same page. So I will go to the top view and then it says go to the top view. Then in the vertex level, connect vertex 1 and 8. So I'll go to connect and connect these two together. So I'll drag from one vertex to the second one. That's it. Now they are connected together. Now it says fillet all vertices. Now to select all vertices, you can either create a selection this way or Control A. Control A will select everything in your file, or in this case, all the vertices in this line. So I'll go to fillet and I will type 100 centimeters and enter. It will change the fillet for the value for all the vertices. Then change the line interpolation to adaptive. So I'll have to close this line, go up to the interpolation rollout and check adaptive. This option is going to make your line smoother and you will need it for the next step. Then it says add sweep modifier with half round section. So I will go here, add sweep, and then I will change the section here from the built-in sections, the ready ones, to half round. Then I will change the sweep radius to 30 centimeters and the interpolation to adaptive. So change the sweep interpolation to adaptive, the radius to 30 centimeters, change sweep alignment to bottom center. So you will find the sweep alignment down here. You need to select which side. It says bottom and then it says center. So I'll select this and then I will uncheck banking option. So this is the final result that I have. Now it says right-click on the object and select object properties. Right-click, object properties, and then what is the vertices number. So in the object properties, we have the dimension in X, Y, and Z axis. We have the vertices number and the face number. We need this number, so I will just type it, 13200. And whenever you are typing anything, make sure that you have exactly the same number, otherwise you are going to lose your grade. That's it for this question. Now I will move to the next one.